Hi, I'm Edie. I'm the senior designer here at Agape Construction, and today I'm going to show you how to take a simple planter and customize it to match your style. For this project, you're going to need an inexpensive planter, some sort of accessory. We're going to do some ribbon, a hot glue gun, and your choice of topiary. The first step would be to glue your ribbon onto your planter, and depending on what accessory you use, you may need to do it at the same time. Step 2, we're going to take some colorful ribbon and glue it to the inside of the planter to judge this up a little bit, like so. And the final step is to take your topiary and put it on top of your planter, and now you have an adorable customized planter for your front porch. And now we're going to take all of our DIY projects and we're going to decorate our front porch with them.